शुरुआत है।
Good evening, all Acarians. I hope all you are stay safe and healthy at home. Okay. Now we are starting our first science class. Okay. First chapter is the chemical reaction and equation. It's a part of the chemistry. Then start chemical reaction and equation. Okay. Now first we are considering the word chemical reaction. Chemical reaction, it means that word is emerging from the chemical change. Okay. So about the chemical change we have already studied in our last classes. Okay. What about the chemical change? If reaction occurs only in one direction, it can't reverse. That is the chemical change. What does it mean? कि अगर रिएक्शन सिर्फ एक फॉरवर्डेड डायरेक्शन में चल रही है, नॉट अगेन इन द बैकवर्ड डायरेक्शन, दैट इज द केमिकल चेंज. ओके. नाउ वी हैव सो मेनी एग्जांपल इन आवर डेली लाइफ ऑफ द केमिकल चेंज, और वी कैन से द केमिकल रिएक्शन लाइक द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ कर्ड, डाइजेशन ऑफ फूड, रस्टिंग ऑफ आयरन एंड सो मेनी. ओके. सो दैट्स नॉट डिटेल कि केमिकल चेंज क्या है, इसको ज्यादा डिटेल करने की कोई नीड नहीं है. नाउ व्हाट इज द केमिकल रिएक्शन? अगर किसी भी केमिकल रिएक्शन में कोई भी केमिकल चेंज हो रहा है, इट मीन्स कि वी आर गेटिंग अ न्यू सब्सटेंस, दैट इज द केमिकल रिएक्शन. हाउ? फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई एम टेलिंग कि हाइड्रोजन इज रिएक्टिंग विद द ऑक्सीजन एंड फॉर्मिंग द वाटर. ओके, दैट्स द केमिकल चेंज. हाउ इट्स अ केमिकल चेंज? If we see the previous state of the hydrogen is the gaseous state and oxygen also is in the gaseous state. ठीक है. After the formation या after the reaction of hydrogen and oxygen, what we are getting here? Water. Water, it means we are getting the liquid state of our product. ठीक है. Now here emerging a new word, that is the product. What is product? Anything which is taking part in reaction is the reactant. जो भी substances chemical reaction में part कर रहे हैं, that are reactants, and anything we are getting after the reaction of reactants. Reactants की reaction के बाद में जो new substance हमको मिल रहा है, that new substance is your product. Okay, and what is the way of writing the chemical reaction? Every time we will write the reactants on the tail side of the arrow and product is the head side of the arrow. That is the representation of any chemical reaction. Okay. Again I am repeating. We are writing the reactants on the left side of the arrow, that is the tail side, and we are writing the product on the right side of the arrow, that is the head side. That this is the way of representing any chemical reaction. Okay, get it? अब reactants and products, they are the main substances of any chemical reaction. Okay, अब what is the chemical equation? One more thing, कि this is the skeleton reaction. That is the skeleton reaction. अब what is the skeleton reaction? We will detail it after some time. अब we are talking about the equation. ठीक है. Now we have cleared here the chemical reaction. Now we will talk about the chemical equation. Okay. What is the chemical equation? If we are representing any chemical reaction in a symbolic form, that is the equation. ठीक है. This is the equation. This is not a right reaction. Reaction is what? कि when magnesium is reacting with oxygen, in language if we are writing it, that's the chemical reaction. But the same reaction if we are representing in a symbolic form, right? Magnesium is reacting with oxygen, then magnesium oxide is formed. When magnesium is reacting with oxygen, magnesium oxide is formed. Okay, it means कि we are representing magnesium in symbol, oxygen in symbol, and again magnesium oxide in the symbolic form. That is the equation. Okay.